Today we're going to learn about algebra word problems. Let's say we have a problem, like if Micah gave $8 to Ben, then Ben will have 5 times as much money as Micah. If Ben gives $12 to Micah, then Micah will have 1/3 of the amount of money that Ben has. How much does Ben have at first? How much money does Ben have at first? Now the problem states that if Micah gave $8 to Ben, then Ben will have 5 times as much money as Micah. Let's label this as scenario 1. So in this column labeled scenario 1, Micah, M for Micah, gives $8 to Ben. B for Ben. And let's say that now Micah, N for now, M for Micah, is equal to X. So this means that now Ben, N for now, B for Ben, is equal to, now we know that Ben will then have 5 times as much money as Micah. So now Ben would be 5X. So Micah before, M for Micah, B for before, would be equal to X plus the $8 he gave Ben, and Ben before, B for Ben, B for before, would be 5X minus the $8 he got from Micah, minus $8. Now in scenario 2, Ben gives $12 to Micah. So Ben, B for Ben, gives $12. Let's make this line longer. $12 to Micah, M for Micah. So now Micah, N for now, M for Micah, would be equal to Micah before, M for Micah, B for before, plus $12, which is equal to, Micah before is equal to X plus 8. So X plus 8 plus 12, which is equal to X plus 20. And now Ben, N for now, B for Ben, would be equal to, now we know that the problem states that then Micah will have 1/3 of the amount of money that Ben has. So Ben will be having 3 times as much money as Micah then. So now Ben would be 3 times X plus 20, which is 3X plus 60. So now Ben would be equal to 3X plus 60. Now Ben before, in scenario 2, Ben before would be equal to 3X plus 60 plus the $12 he gave Micah, which is equal to 3X plus 72. But we already know that Ben before would be 5X minus 8. And we know that the money that Ben had before cannot change. So this means that 5X minus 8 is equal to 3X plus 72. Let's write that here. 5X, let's write this a little bit more to the left. So 5X minus 8 is equal to 3X plus 72. So let's get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. We can subtract 3 from both sides of this equation, subtract 3x. From both sides of this equation, to get rid of 3x from this side, and we can subtract 8 from both sides of this equation to get 8 rid of from this side, to get rid of 8 from this side. So after this, we get 5 minus 3x, which is 2x. This cancels out, or this should be plus 8 to get rid of 8 on this side, because negative 8 plus 8 becomes 0. So this cancels out. 3x minus 3x cancels out, and 72 plus 8, now plus 8, is equal to 80. So 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 40. Now we need to find out how much money does Ben have at first. We know that Ben before is equal to 5x minus 8. So Ben before, B for Ben, B for before is equal to 5 times 40 minus 8. Minus 8, which is equal to 200, minus 8, which is equal to 192. So Ben had $192 before. So he had $192 at first. Today we learned about, well, let's write this answer up here. $192. So Ben had $192 at first. Today we learned about algebra word problems. Thank you for watching this video.